Oh, oh. Hi, I'm Samantha, the social media manager at Lion Brand Yarn.
Hi, I'm Shira, the brand ambassador for Lion Brand Yarn, and we're
doing an unboxing.
We're doing an unboxing. I have a really good feeling about what's in this box.
I was just about to say the same thing.
Should we see what's in
Yeah,
there?
we should just dive in.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. All I can say is there's like a lot of color happening in here.
Much
There's
color.
an explosion of color.
Good word.
An explosion of color. I'm here for it. So the first one I want to talk about is this Cream Deluxe. First word to describe, squishy.
Squishy. So much squish.
Squish. Can we show you like the texture of this yarn? It's that chenille vibe, and it's 100% acrylic. There are 155 yards in here.
Over 20 colors.
Oh my goodness. And really fun. We found out this fun fact.
Okay, so they're named after beach towns.
I love that. And they're so like, I don't know. I think of summer, I think of vibrant, I mean, you can really do anything with this yarn.
Absolutely.
You can make a delicious little baby blanket.
I just want to like cover myself.
I mean,
in this.
personally, cute little sweater, cardigan.
Yeah, yeah.
Super soft, super fun to use. And it is machine washable and dryable, so easy, friendly to use, which is really important and fun when you're working with a yarn.
Absolutely.
And
self-striping, color doesn't repeat.
So it's exciting. The next one.
Okay, we have 2 today.
We have 2. Sam, tell us about the next one.
Cotton.
I'm excited for the cotton.
Get excited, guys.
It's a cotton blend.
Over 8 colors.
Over 8 colors. 225 yards. So again, we're showing you a lot of yardage here.
Blueberry, strawberry,
Orange,
rainbow,
lemon,
grape.
chocolate.
Well, there you go.
Well, there you go. You have a cotton blend, which is going to be great for those the season changing.
Summer projects.
Yeah, summer projects.
Nice top.
Nice top. Nice little, you could do like a sleeveless.
Yes.
Love it. And again, that
Plans.
color, kind of many different, I love this one. Oh my gosh.
How
I'm here
fun
for
is
this one.
that?
That's rainbow sprinkles, if you ask me.
Mm.
I'm putting the sprinkles on my ice cream. I love it, and I think that you will too. We want to hear from you.
Yeah,
Which
what do you guys
one,
think?
what are you gonna go for? Are you gonna go for Cream Deluxe? Are you gonna go for the cotton?
Cotton.
Or are you gonna do both?
Combo.
I'm here for both. They are now available, so
Go get them.
go get them. Bye, guys.
Bye.